Hey guys, welcome to Simply Nam's YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this makeup look for the upcoming wedding season. So if you're excited, then please watch this video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Before I begin with the video, I'm simply gonna clip my hair so there is no disturbance while I create the video.
To create this look, we are gonna use Dawn to Dusk palette by Simply Nam. And how stunning does this look? It has 10 different shades, and I'm gonna use Simply Nam 01 eyeshadow and contour brush. I'm going to use rustic brown as my base shadow, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid and keep blending that. How stunning does that look? I'm in love. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eye. Keep blending, and there it is. Now for the next step, I'm gonna go a shade darker. I'm using the shade Mocha Night. I'm gonna put it on the outer corner of my eye to give that smoky effect. I'm gonna keep blending that. I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other eye. Now to make it dramatic, I'm adding some glitter to my eyes, and for that I'm using the shade Silver Star. I'm gonna put it on my eyelid and I'm gonna blend it all together. We're going to repeat the same process on the other eye, and we are done. I'm going to clean the under eye mess before the next step. Now to create a perfect wing liner, I'm going to use the shade Midnight Noir from the palette. For the under, I'm going to use the same shade we use for our base, the rustic brown. Now I'm going to use the bronzy Kajal by Simply Nam. I'm going to put it on the waterline of my eyes. And we're done. I'm using the Sweet Kisses Lip Balm by Simply Nam again. This is one of my favorite. I'm using the shade Sugar, and that's it. That's my makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Create this makeup look using the Dawn to Dusk palette. And I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.